Are you thinking about going to the Alternative to Med Center? Quit thinking about it and just do it. 10 years ago, I had the opportunity of attending the Alternative to Med Center. I've been labeled bipolar schizophrenic, gone in and out of 4 different psych wards, dropped out of college because of addiction, smoked pot every single day for 3 years. Going to the Alternative to Med Center is hands down one of the best things that I have ever done. They focused on the root cause, which was diet, which was my neurotransmitters. They got my brain healthy again. We focused on my mental well-being. And now 10 years later, I've traveled all around the world, spoken on many different continents. I have written 2 books, and I owe it mostly to Lyle and the Alternative to Med Center. They gave me hope. They gave me a new life. And for this, I am forever grateful. My name is Gordie Buffton, and if you're thinking about going to the Alternative to Med Center, just stop thinking about it. Do it. But most importantly, do the work. Do what they tell you to. As the real work begins when you walk in those doors.